guys, welcome back. So I want to try to do a 3D flower with acrylic, and this is like to show Evie if the brush works or not. And this brush I wanted in a giveaway, and this is number 2 3D brush from Alpha. So this is how it looks. Let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. So I want the Christmas set I did for Pooh's Corner challenge. I did it the 3D snowman and the 3D Santa and some other stuff there that I did 3D. I did it with this brush. So I went on YouTube to search how to do a 3D flower. I don't know how to. I've seen all you ladies do it, but I haven't tried it, so I'm gonna try it. So the one that was the first one there was from Young Nails, so I'm gonna go along. So I am following their video. Okay, the monomer I do use is Odorless from Nailite. That's the only monomer I can use because my mother doesn't like the smell of it. So I'm gonna do the rose on this nail. Oh, the white acrylic I'm using is from DivaDC. You can see right there, and it's professional white. They say to use like little drops of acetone, so you'll have time, so it won't be sticky, the product, onto your brush. And I do that too, but I don't do little drops. I do like half and half, so this could cure faster. So let me see if using half and half liquid and acetone it will work. If not, then I'll do what they say. Okay, come on guys, let's get started. Well, he did like kind of like a circle, but his nail is matte. Mine's not matte. But oopsie daisy. Gonna try not to get off the frame. So he did like an imaginary circle, so you'll know to guide you.
Just like this, like a little moon. Then what I want to be able to do is take the body of my brush, and I'm actually going to start pushing out, right? Pushing out, right? Always notice how the tip of my brush stays almost in the same spot as I actually start pushing this really, really nice petal out. See that? Just like that. Okay, I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to spin it, I'm going to get another pearl. I'm going to send it to the outside, just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of guide it out, right? Just like that, and just pull this one.
Okay, I'm moving too fast. It's way too fast. I'm only been in the first pearl. I mean, first petal, and they're already in the second petal. Hopefully this comes out good. Oh, it's already setting. Gotta work quickly. They say like to turn the brush out to the side, and then you just push. Okay, let me start on petal number 2.
Okay, I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to spin it, I'm going to get another pearl. I'm going to set it to the outside, just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of guide it out, right, just like that, and just pull this one a little bit in. See that? Now, I want to be able to do the same thing. I'm going to have to turn my hand around. Take a look at the tip of my brush, how it starts from the inside, and I actually start pushing from the inside out. Inside out, look at that. Right? Inside out. Look at that. You can see all the negative space that I actually have within here, but you can see how that little bit of ellipse, right, is on top of the flower. It gives it its three-dimensional kind of impression. And again, because of the nature of the liquid, it's allowing the product to set without sticking to the brush. Now, I've left all of this space on the inside right here. I'm going to take advantage of all of the negative space that I have here. And how I'm going to
Pause right quick. Going too slow. I gotta work fast. This is setting. Come on, Myra. Gotta work fast.
do that. Again, it's like getting a bead that fits right inside the center. You see that? Right inside. This is going to be my third pearl. And what I want to be able to do, again, from the inside, is I want to be able to use, again, this is my brush, and you can see how I'm actually starting to work the petal out. Work the petal out. Okay? I'm not pushing hard. I'm just using the body of my brush to actually start pushing out. Pushing out. Right? The body of my brush on top of all that really nice thin structure, and take a look at how awesome that looks. Right? Right? That is my third petal. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of the negative space that I have inside.
What? that's how it's looking. Okay, rezone.
Take a small pearl. I'm going to set it right inside the center where it's hollow. I'm going to take the tip of my brush. I'm going to spin it. I'm going to hold it vertical. You see I'm holding it vertical? I'm just going to kind of poke a hole right here. And then what I want to do is use the body of my brush, as you can see, to kind of pull it out. Look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is start to use the rest of my brush, and I'm going to start pushing it flat all the way out towards the negative space. Look at that. I have my fourth petal. I have my fourth petal. Now, I have one more bead. I need to fit one more small bead in the center. Look at that.
Pause. I need to learn how to work faster though. Oh, I messed it up.
Really tiny bead. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it right inside the middle. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of hollow it out, and press down towards one end. And as you can see, there's my flower. I want to show you something cool. If I turn to the side, look at how thin. That is. So if I decided that I wanted to use this inside the nail, I'll be able to overlay it again and still maintain.
I think I could have fit one more petal here, but it's too late for that. I'm just trying it on, guys. I'm just trying it out, guys. So there goes my flower. What you think, guys? And as you can see, it's thin, like he said. His technique, because he said, is good enough to encapsulate. I really like how that came out. It was super pretty. I'm gonna try to do more flowers, but if you guys want to go along and follow their steps how to do this, I will leave a link down to the video below. The video helped you out, Evie, in case you are interested on buying this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and try more flowers, and I'll insert pictures at the end. So see you guys in the next one. Bye, and thank you, Young Nails, for that video and your tips. Bye.